Welcome to our Moments support video, which we will take you through how to create a report for documenting purposes. There are a number of ways you can create a report. On the Moments dashboard, you can click Create a Report. On the Quick Action button on the left-hand side, you can create a report. And on the menu on the left-hand side, you can create a report. I'm going to create it from the dashboard. So click Create Report, give your report a title. I'm going to do Day Sheet. This is where you can select a template that has been created either for your organization or service. So I will click Day Sheet and I will click Proceed. That will then populate the Day Sheet template that has been created. I can now go through and I can fill in my information. I'll just do a little bit here for the purpose of this support video. I can go in and add moments. So I can go through and I can insert them like so. Going in and filling in the template that I've been provided with. Adding in any additional information. I can move over and I can now tag this report. So I can go through and I can tag rooms, particular children. So if I wish to share this report with families, I can go through and tag the applicable children. I can tag the applicable learning outcomes and continue through. I'll now save that. I can go through and I can see the history of the report. I can link any forms, which we will discuss in our further support videos. I can link any experiences to the report and any other additional reports that I would like to link. What I can do now that I've finished with my report, if my permissions are set for me to submit for approval for somebody else within my service or organisation to approve, I can click Submit for Approval. If I have the ability to approve, I can approve this form and I can now go through and I can publish this report. Publishing this report will send this report to the parent portal for the parent to review and provide a comment, which we will discuss in further support videos. So if I go back to reports, I can now see that that day sheet has been published. I can visibly see the children that have been tagged and the learning outcomes have been assigned. And I can go through and I can view if I would like or preview. In the event that I need to retract the report, I could retract the report, make any adjustments, and then resend the report through. On the reports menu, I can see the status of the reports as well, and I can additionally filter from here if I'd like to see any previous reports to go through and add it. That concludes our Creating Report Support video. Please click through to our next videos to explore more of the Moments features in further detail. If you have any questions at all, please do not hesitate to contact our friendly customer success team. Thank you.